Hey, it's Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. I got a pair of Proto 2000 PAs, D&H number 16 and 18. I did the custom weathering, added Tsunami sound, and did the LED lighting with the gyro light. So why don't we take a look at these guys? I'll move them a little forward so you can see the lighting on the second unit. There we go. There's the headlight. There's the Mars light. It's not showing up as well on the video, but you can see it works. So I just need to change the horn out. And they both have an Alco 244 Tsunami in them. I removed the front coupler and put the plate on because it just looks better that way, but there's just a plate cover on there. You can just remove that plate cover and that's it, and then put a coupler on there. And these have a can motor in them. These aren't like the older style Proto units. They're really nice. And you can see I weathered the trucks heavier, but I didn't really weather the engines heavy. And they have painted crew members in them too. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.